Hello and welcome back to another lesson on how to earn money using ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website tool using ChatGPT. It's very simple and it might seem odd creating a website using ChatGPT, but it's really easy, actually pretty easier than creating it manually. So we're going to start off by typing in some words here, and I gotta tell you, because you're gonna need VS Code in order to do this, or you can use any other Notepad++ or any other platform that you can find, but VS Code is the most simplest one, so I'm going to use VS Code. And to do that, we're going to first need the codes. So I'm going to type in, can you write me an HTML code for a website tool that can count words from a paragraph and show the number of words that are present in the paragraph. For my website. Now, after we've written the words here, paragraph. Okay, let's correct this one here for my website. Okay, now we're gonna press enter and see if it can provide us with the code. So here it's saying that sure, here's a simple HTML code for a website tool that can count the number of words in a paragraph that displays display the result. Okay, so we're gonna simply just copy the code here from here, and we're gonna paste it in the VS Code. Okay, so once I've copied the code, we're gonna paste this in VS Code. Okay, so you can see here it's pretty functional. The code is pretty functional. If it was not functional, there would have been some red signs over here inside the codes. And we're going to now run this in the live server and check if it actually works. So we're gonna open with live server. And you can see here, this is the word count tool here and count words. So we're going to check it by typing some words. So we're gonna type in coffee, and we're gonna just simply take some text from anywhere. Okay, so let's take the text from Wikipedia, and we're gonna take the first paragraph from here, copy this, and we're gonna drop it in the word count tool and paste. And let's see how many words. So once we press on count words, it says the paragraph contains 130 words. All right. So it's pretty simple how you made this tool. Now, how can you actually earn from this website? You can see it's pretty blank, but you can actually use the VS Code here to make it much more appealing. And you might be wondering how people can earn through this website. Now, once you create the website, people are going to visit your website. You can place ads here or anywhere. There is space. And when the viewers, they view your ad, you're going to get a revenue from that, right? So you're going to get ads revenue. So you can actually earn money from that. And it's going to pile up over the months and days, depending on your reach, how many traffic you're getting, how much traffic you're getting from the website. So that's actually how you create this word count tool, and it's pretty simple. If you practice it, you'll get a hang of it, and So that is it. I'll see you in the next lesson.